In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Jira SAML error step by step. This issue usually appears when you're trying to log into Jira using SSO and you either get redirected endlessly, see an authentication error, or Jira simply refuses to let you in. The good news is that in most cases, this is not a server-side problem and can be fixed in just a few minutes using the steps I'll walk you through. This guide works for Jira Cloud and is especially useful if your organization uses SAML or identity providers like Google, Azure AD, or Okta. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes like this. All right, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you want to do is log out of Jira completely and then log back in using SSO again. This sounds simple, but it fixes a lot of SAML-related issues. Start by logging out of your Jira account. Make sure you're fully signed out and not just closing the tab. Once logged out, go back to your Jira login page and choose the option to sign in using SSO or your organization's identity provider. This forces Jira to refresh the SAML session and revalidate your credentials. In many cases, the error happens because of an expired or broken session, and this step alone resolves it. If you're still seeing the error, move on to the next step. Step 2 is to check that your email address matches exactly between Jira and your SSO provider. This is one of the most common causes of Jira SAML errors. Your email address in Jira must be identical to the email in your identity provider, including spelling, dots, and domain name. For example, if Jira has your email as john.doe@company.com, but your SSO provider lists it as johndoe@company.com, authentication will fail. Ask your Jira admin or identity provider admin to confirm that both sides match perfectly. Once the emails are aligned, try logging in again using SSO. Now let's move to step 3, which is trying an incognito window or a different browser. Sometimes browser cache, cookies, or extensions interfere with SAML authentication. Open an incognito or private browsing window and try signing into Jira using SSO from there. If that works, then the issue is likely related to cached data or a browser extension. You can fix this by clearing your browser cache and cookies for Jira and your identity provider, or by disabling extensions temporarily. You can also try a completely different browser, just to confirm the issue isn't browser-specific. Finally, step 4 is to turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with SAML authentication by changing your IP address or blocking required redirects. Disconnect from your VPN or proxy. Then try logging into Jira again using SSO. If the login works after turning it off, you'll know the VPN was the cause. In that case, you may need to whitelist Jira and your identity provider in your VPN settings or contact your IT team for a permanent solution. Once you've gone through these 4 steps, most Jira SAML errors should be resolved. To quickly recap, log out and log back in using SSO, confirm your email matches on both sides, test an incognito or another browser, and disable any VPN or proxy. These fixes cover the vast majority of SAML login problems in Jira. If this tutorial helped you fix your Jira SAML error, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.